Alaskan Malamutes and cats, how to foster a feline-friendly household. Are you a proud owner of both an Alaskan Malamute and a cat? While these two furry friends may seem like an unlikely pair, with the right approach and some helpful tips, you can create a feline-friendly household where they can coexist peacefully. In this video, we will provide you with valuable advice on how to foster a harmonious environment for your Alaskan Malamutes and cats. Creating a harmonious environment for Alaskan Malamutes and cats requires understanding the natural instincts and characteristics of both breeds. Alaskan Malamutes are known for their strong prey drive, which means they may see cats as potential targets. On the other hand, cats are territorial creatures and may be wary of sharing their space with a new canine companion. By being aware of these instincts, you can better anticipate potential challenges and take proactive steps to address them. Introducing an Alaskan Malamute to a resident cat should be done gradually and with care. Start by setting up separate spaces for each pet, providing them with their own safe haven to retreat to when needed. This will help them feel secure and reduce the likelihood of conflicts. When it's time for their first face-to-face interaction, ensure it takes place in a neutral territory. Keep both pets on a leash and closely supervise their initial interactions. If any signs of aggression or fear arise, be prepared to intervene and separate them. Positive reinforcement training is a powerful tool when it comes to teaching your Alaskan Malamute and cat proper behavior and boundaries. Rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, and affection will encourage them to repeat those actions. Consistency is key, so establish a routine and structure that both pets can rely on. This will help them feel secure and minimize potential conflicts. Building trust and bonding between your Alaskan Malamute and cat is essential for a harmonious household. Encourage interactive play sessions where they can engage in positive experiences together. Gradual socialization is also important, allowing them to become familiar with each other's scents and presence over time. Patience is key, as it may take weeks or even months for them to fully accept and bond with one another. If you encounter difficulties in creating a feline-friendly household, don't hesitate to seek assistance from professional trainers or behaviorists. They can provide expert guidance tailored to your specific situation. Remember, with patience, understanding, and the right approach, you can create a peaceful and loving environment where your Alaskan Malamutes and cats can thrive together. Understanding the breeds. Understanding the breeds. In order to foster a feline-friendly household with Alaskan Malamutes and cats, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of their natural instincts and characteristics. This knowledge will help you better comprehend their compatibility and potential challenges, allowing you to create a harmonious environment for both pets. Alaskan Malamutes are large and powerful dogs that have a strong prey drive. They were originally bred for sledding and hauling heavy loads, which means they have a natural instinct to chase smaller animals. On the other hand, cats are independent and territorial creatures with a keen sense of curiosity. They are agile and quick, and they tend to be cautious around unfamiliar animals. While these differences may seem daunting, it is important to remember that every individual dog and cat is unique. Some Alaskan Malamutes may have a higher prey drive than others, while some cats may be more accepting of new companions. By understanding these general characteristics, you can better prepare for the introduction process and anticipate any potential challenges that may arise. When introducing an Alaskan Malamute to a resident cat, it is essential to provide a safe and controlled environment. This can include setting up separate areas for each pet, such as a designated room or specific spaces within your home. These safe spaces allow both the Alaskan Malamute and cat to have their own retreats when they need some alone time. Additionally, positive reinforcement training techniques can play a significant role in fostering a feline-friendly household. By rewarding desired behaviors and setting clear boundaries, you can teach your Alaskan Malamute and cat how to coexist peacefully. Consistency and patience are key during this training process. Lastly, closely supervising the initial interactions between your Alaskan Malamute and cat is crucial. This allows you to intervene if any signs of aggression or fear arise. Gradual introductions and controlled meetings can help build trust and reduce the risk of negative encounters. By understanding the natural instincts and characteristics of Alaskan Malamutes and cats, you can better navigate the journey of fostering a feline-friendly household. With patience, consistency, and proper training, you can create a harmonious environment where both pets can thrive and coexist peacefully. Introducing Alaskan Malamutes and cats. Introducing Alaskan Malamutes and cats. Are you considering adding an Alaskan Malamute to your household, but already have a resident cat? Don't worry, with the right approach and careful planning, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free introduction between these two furry friends. Follow this step-by-step guide to create a harmonious environment for both your Alaskan Malamute and cat. Step 1. Prepare separate spaces. Before bringing your new Alaskan Malamute home, it's important to set up separate spaces for both pets. This will provide them with their own safe haven where they can retreat to when needed. Create a designated area for your cat, complete with a litter box, scratching post, and comfortable bedding. Similarly, prepare a separate space for your Alaskan Malamute with a cozy bed, toys, and food and water bowls. Step 2. Gradual introduction. Start by allowing your cat to explore the Alaskan Malamute's scent before any physical interaction takes place. You can do this by swapping bedding or using a cloth to rub the Alaskan Malamute's scent on your cat and vice versa. This will help familiarize them with each other's scent, making the initial meeting less intimidating. Step 3. Controlled visual introduction. Once both pets are comfortable with each other's scent, it's time for a controlled visual introduction. Place a baby gate or use a pet barrier to create a physical separation between the two animals while allowing them to see each other. This will give them a chance to observe and assess each other's behavior without direct contact. Step 4. Short and supervised interactions. When both pets seem calm and curious about each other, it's time to move on to short and supervised interactions. Keep the initial meetings brief, starting with just a few minutes and gradually increasing the duration over time. Always stay close by to monitor their behavior and intervene if necessary. Step 5. Positive reinforcement. During these interactions, make sure to reward both pets for calm and positive behavior. Use treats, praise, and gentle petting to reinforce good behavior and create a positive association with each other's presence. This will help them build trust and create a foundation for a strong relationship. Step 6. Gradual integration. As the Alaskan Malamute and cat become more comfortable with each other, you can gradually increase their time together. Allow them to interact in the same space under supervision, but always be ready to step in if any signs of aggression or fear arise. Take it slow and let them set the pace for their relationship. Step 7. Patience and time. Remember, introducing an Alaskan Malamute to a resident cat is a process that requires patience and time. Each pet will have their own unique personality and may take longer to adjust. Be prepared for setbacks and take things at a pace that suits both animals. With consistent effort and positive reinforcement, you can foster a feline-friendly household where your Alaskan Malamute and cat can coexist peacefully. Creating safe spaces. When it comes to fostering a harmonious environment between Alaskan Malamutes and cats, one of the key factors is providing separate areas for each pet. This allows them to have their own space to retreat to when needed, ensuring a sense of safety and security. Here are some tips on setting up safe spaces for your Alaskan Malamute and cat. Designated areas. Allocate specific areas in your home for each pet. This could be a room or a corner where they can have their own beds, toys, and litter boxes. Vertical space. Cats love to climb and perch, so consider providing vertical spaces such as cat trees or shelves where they can escape to and observe from above. Escape routes. Ensure that both pets have easy access to exits in case they feel overwhelmed or need to retreat. This could be a cat door or a gate for the Alaskan Malamute. Separate feeding areas. Cats and Alaskan Malamutes have different dietary needs, so it's important to provide separate feeding stations to avoid any conflicts or food aggression. Comfort zones. Create cozy and comfortable spaces for both pets, with soft bedding and hiding spots. This will give them a sense of security and a place to relax. Remember, the goal is to give each pet their own safe space while still allowing for supervised interactions and gradual integration. By providing separate areas, you are promoting a peaceful coexistence between your Alaskan Malamute and cat. Positive reinforcement training. Positive reinforcement training is a highly effective method for teaching your Alaskan Malamute and cat proper behavior and boundaries. This training technique focuses on rewarding desired behaviors rather than punishing unwanted behaviors. By using positive reinforcement, you can create a positive and enjoyable learning experience for both pets. One of the major benefits of positive reinforcement training is that it strengthens the bond between you and your pets. When you reward your Alaskan Malamute and cat for their good behavior, they learn to associate your presence with positive experiences. This helps to build trust and encourages them to repeat the behaviors that earn them rewards. When training your Alaskan Malamute and cat, it is important to use rewards that they find motivating. This could be treats, praise, or playtime with their favorite toys. By using rewards that are highly valued by your pets, you increase their motivation to learn and follow your instructions. Positive reinforcement training also helps to establish clear boundaries and expectations for your pets. By consistently rewarding desired behaviors, such as sitting calmly or using the litter box, and ignoring or redirecting unwanted behaviors, you can effectively communicate your expectations to your Alaskan Malamute and cat. It is important to note that positive reinforcement training requires patience and consistency. It may take time for your pets to understand what is expected of them and to consistently exhibit the desired behaviors. However, with regular training sessions and positive reinforcement, you can help your Alaskan Malamute and cat develop good habits and create a harmonious household. Supervising interactions. Supervising interactions. When introducing your Alaskan Malamute to your resident cat, it is crucial to closely monitor their initial interactions. This is important to ensure the safety and well-being of both pets and to prevent any potential conflicts. By paying close attention to their behavior, you can intervene promptly if any signs of aggression or fear arise. One effective way to supervise their interactions is by keeping them in separate areas of the house initially. This allows them to become familiar with each other's scent and presence without direct contact. You can use baby gates or pet gates to create physical barriers between them, providing a sense of security for both pets. During supervised interactions, observe their body language and vocalizations. Signs of aggression may include growling, hissing, raised fur, or a tense body posture. If you notice any of these signs, it is essential to intervene calmly and assertively. Intervening in a non-confrontational manner is crucial to prevent escalating the situation. You can use distraction techniques, such as making a loud noise or redirecting their attention with a toy or treat. This can help redirect their focus and diffuse any tension. Remember, the goal is to create a positive and peaceful environment for both your Alaskan Malamute and cat. With careful supervision and intervention, you can help them establish a harmonious relationship based on trust and mutual respect. Establishing routine and structure. Creating a consistent schedule and routine is essential for both Alaskan Malamutes and cats to feel secure and reduce potential conflicts in a feline-friendly household. By establishing a structured environment, you can provide your pets with a sense of stability and predictability, which is crucial for their overall well-being. Here are some tips on how to implement a routine for both pets. Feeding schedule. Set specific meal times for your Alaskan Malamute and cat, and ensure that they have separate feeding areas to avoid any food-related disputes. Stick to the designated feeding times to establish a routine and prevent any potential food aggression. Exercise and playtime. Allocate dedicated time for exercise and play sessions for both pets. Regular physical activity is important for the well-being of Alaskan Malamutes and can help alleviate any excess energy that may lead to behavioral issues. Engage in interactive play with your cat to keep them mentally stimulated and provide an outlet for their natural hunting instincts. Potty breaks. Establish a consistent bathroom routine for your Alaskan Malamute by taking them outside at regular intervals. Cats, on the other hand, require a clean litter box that is easily accessible and regularly maintained. Ensure that both pets have their own designated areas for elimination. Bedtime and rest. Set a consistent bedtime routine for both pets, providing them with comfortable sleeping areas. Cats may prefer elevated spots or cozy beds, while Alaskan Malamutes may require a designated space with a comfortable bed or crate. Consistency in bedtime routines can promote better sleep and reduce potential conflicts during rest times. Remember, it may take some time for your pets to adjust to the new routine. Be patient and consistent in implementing the schedule and gradually introduce any changes. By establishing a structured environment and following a consistent routine, you can help create a harmonious atmosphere for both your Alaskan Malamute and cat. Building trust and bonding. Building trust and bonding between your Alaskan Malamute and cat is crucial for creating a harmonious household. Here are some tips to help foster a strong bond between these two pets. Interactive play. Encourage interactive play sessions between your Alaskan Malamute and cat. This could include using toys that both pets can engage with, such as feather wands or puzzle toys. Supervise these play sessions to ensure they remain positive and fun for both pets. Shared positive experiences. Create opportunities for your Alaskan Malamute and cat to have positive experiences together. For example, you can give them treats or rewards simultaneously for good behavior. This helps them associate each other's presence with positive outcomes. Gradual socialization. Gradually introduce your Alaskan Malamute and cat to each other's scents and presence. Start by allowing them to sniff each other's bedding or toys. Then, gradually increase their exposure to each other by allowing supervised interactions in a controlled environment. Remember, building trust and bonding takes time and patience. Be consistent in your efforts and provide plenty of positive reinforcement for both pets when they exhibit calm and friendly behavior towards each other. With time, they can develop a strong bond that will make your household a feline-friendly haven. Seeking professional help. Seeking professional help. If you find yourself facing challenges in creating a feline-friendly household with your Alaskan Malamute and cat, don't worry. There are professional trainers and behaviorists who specialize in helping pet owners navigate these situations. Seeking their assistance can be invaluable in ensuring a harmonious environment for both your furry friends. When should you consider seeking professional help? If you notice persistent signs of aggression, fear, or any other behavioral issues between your Alaskan Malamute and cat, it may be time to consult with an expert. These professionals have the knowledge and experience to assess the situation and provide tailored advice and strategies to address the specific challenges you're facing. So, how do you go about finding a professional trainer or behaviorist? Start by researching reputable individuals or organizations in your area that specialize in dog and cat behavior. Look for certifications or accreditations that demonstrate their expertise. You can also ask for recommendations from your veterinarian or fellow pet owners who have faced similar challenges. Once you've identified potential professionals, reach out to them and explain your situation. They will likely ask you some questions to gather more information and assess the severity of the issue. Based on their evaluation, they may recommend in-person consultations, virtual sessions, or even group classes that focus on dog and cat interactions. During these sessions, the trainer or behaviorist will observe the dynamics between your Alaskan Malamute and cat, identify any underlying issues, and provide guidance on how to address them. They may suggest specific training exercises, behavior modification techniques, or environmental adjustments to help foster a more positive relationship between your pets. Remember, seeking professional help is not a sign of failure as a pet owner. It's a proactive step towards creating a safe and peaceful environment for both your Alaskan Malamute and cat. With their expertise and guidance, you can overcome any challenges and build a strong bond between your furry companions.